Okay folks, welcome to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Welcome back. This is the how-to section with a difference today. We've also got a Suzuki Ignis in the family, and the gear stick is a little faded and worn, so we can't really see the proper selection of the gears. So we've purchased a generic gear knob. It's type R. It comes with the instructions on the back and the different plates that go inside there if your car came with different setup. So we'll just open this up now. We'll put the link in the description below. It was £8, which is not bad value. It's supposed to be a universal fitting. We were looking on the internet to try and find a video or how to replace Suzuki Ignis gear knob, and there wasn't any. So we'll do one for all those people out there who've got Suzuki Ignises, and we'll get it fitted and show you what to do. So let's have a quick look inside this packaging. It arrived very quickly, I only ordered it a couple of days ago. So big up to the eBay seller. In there. Horrible packaging, noisy. So you'll have to excuse the noise on the video. There we go. It's quite sturdy, it's quite weighty. It also comes with a fitting kit for different diameters on your gear stick, and also comes with different setups for your gear selection, so you can change these over and alter them. So, but luckily that's the one that we've already got on the Suzuki Ignis anyway. So that's the kit. And on the back of there's some fitting instructions. So we'll get over to the car and we'll get it fitted. Right, so we're now in the Suzuki Ignis. The only videos we've seen so far or anything similar are Suzuki Swift, so I'm hoping this is going to be a similar setup. We're going to put this one on there. As you can see, this is all quite badly worn. Now, the other ones we've seen, as I say, have been on the Swift, and we have to take this bottom gaiter off with quite a bit of brute force, and this top bit comes off with a bit of brute force as well. So let's have to work this down. There we go. Now, looks like there's a collar there that might, there we go, keep hold of that. Make sure we don't lose that little bit there. It's not unscrewing, so I'm thinking it might just have to be, oh yeah, there we go, it does unscrew this one, so a bit of brute force on that. It was very, very tight. So that's the old one. It's quite heavy. Keep that to one side. So, as I said, this comes with a few different fittings and collars and grub screws. So, just for now, we'll just try and see. Nope, so that one doesn't fit. So, we'll have to put a collar on there to bring it in a little bit. Get that open. See which one actually works on it. So definitely not that one. That's a bit thicker. So, right, I'll try one of those. Okay, so the three plastic sleeves that come with it, the best one that fits over the top there. put that on the top, and then your next bit, you're going to have to unscrew the bottom of that because you've got 3 grub screws. So that's going to go over the top there. That's going to fit over the top nice and snug, and then we'll grub screw that in to make that nice and secure, and then your main will screw onto the top there. So we'll do this bit by bit. So that's your process. Plastic sleeve to go on, unscrew that over the top there, put that back, and then that'll screw up once the grub screws are in, and then we'll do the final piecing together. But what we need to do is get this leather gaiter over the top here so it looks nice and smart when we're finished. So we'll do that next. The kit comes supplied with 3 grub screws and an Allen key. So we push the plastic sleeve over the top. This will now screw down on top there and grip. So what we need to do is tighten grub screws up all the way around, so that's a nice solid grip, and then we adjust the bottom bit over the top there, which screws on that thread, and then we can fit the handle on top. Okay, so we'll get those tightened up. Okay, so now the bottom of that, get this the right way around. So remember, loosey left, righty tighty, but you're working upside down. So that screws all the way up, nice and tight there. Just do it hand tight. If you don't start, because it's only soft aluminium, if you start getting any mole grips or plies on it, you're going to mark it, and then you'll be disappointed. So now we'll put the top bit on. There we go. One nice new shiny gear stick on a Suzuki Ignis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th gear and reverse. Looks a lot smarter, a lot neater. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and leave any comments in the section below. Any questions, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you, see you next time.